Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I thought since it's the beginning of the year, I would just kind of give you an update of things happening with my show. So here we go. First, my Amazon store. Now, an Amazon store is a web page that Amazon lets anybody set up that they put on that web page products that they think their viewers would be interested in buying. If they buy it by going through a link to their store, they get a small commission. Now, I don't have any inventory. You're just dealing with Amazon. I just got the web page. So if you have any problems, you deal with Amazon. They'll work it out. No big deal. Okay, so what you do is I put a link to my Amazon store in the description under each of my videos. But most of my videos below video number 1300, which was several years ago, Amazon changed everybody's store web page address, and those links are no good. So if you are watching one of my old videos and you say, oh, yeah, I'm interested in that product, or, oh, I want to support Tom, and you use the link, it'll say the link's no good. So you have to go to one of my newer videos, and the best thing to do is go to my latest video, use that link, it takes you to my new Amazon store, and then you can purchase stuff, either things that are in my store, or once you've made that link, if you buy other things, such as toilet paper, I get a commission, a small commission, and I used all my commissions from my store and YouTube to buy more stuff to review on my show. That's how I maintain my show. Okay, moving on. Now, if you've been to my Amazon store in the past few weeks, you will see there are now videos in my Amazon store, right above the listing of all the products. And I'll show you that in just a second. This is a new feature that came out at least a year ago, and I kind of ignored it because I didn't understand what it was. Well, I was talking to Rob from the 741 YouTube channel, and he was able to get this set up and got it working, and he's making a little commission off of these videos. So he helped me set it up, and I started uploading videos about a week or so ago. I've received 17 clicks as of today on my videos, but no commissions. So that's kind of a little bit of a mystery. Let me show you here. Okay, here's what my Amazon store looks like now. Tom's Radio Room Show. So normally you would just see these things down here on the bottom, and there's a whole bunch of them. There's like 100 of them, things that I put in my store. You would click on one of those. If you bought it, I got a small commission, or while you're here, you could go to another part of Amazon and buy something, and I'd get a commission. Well, now you will start seeing these videos up here at the top, and it goes across. I've got about I don't know, 7 or 8 videos. And these videos are not necessarily radio products, because these videos are not necessarily tied to my YouTube channel. These are additional things that I'm kind of trying to expand my small commission. Like, for instance, this one right here. This is an Aero type garden. It's not an Aero garden product, but it's another brand of an hydroponic garden, which I bought, and that's a picture of what it looked like about a week ago. I started it about a month ago, and I got lettuce coming up already. Oh, isn't that exciting? Anyway, and here is the these 3 here are things that I reviewed on my YouTube channel, and you can see down here they're in my store. So I did a new video. In most cases, I did a new video, a much shortened video, because Amazon doesn't like long videos, and put that up there, similar to videos I put up on YouTube, but not the exact video. Okay, some more things about this. Supposedly these videos are supposed to show, well, that's bad grammar, to show up under each product and not just in my Amazon store. So if you went directly to Amazon and you looked for that hydroponic garden, or the other thing you can do when you're uploading your video, you can tag other products that are similar, and your video should show up under those. So far, my videos have not shown up. So if you watch that video that I did, and you buy the product, I get a small commission. So you didn't have to take the Amazon link. You just went to Amazon on your own, you saw that video, you bought the product, I get a small commission. That's how it's supposed to work. So far, that hasn't happened. The only thing that's happened so far is I've gotten notifications that people have viewed my videos. Now, I went through each of the 7 or so videos I put up there and tried to find the video under the products. So far, I haven't seen them. So I don't think people are getting to my videos that way. I think they're getting to the videos via my Amazon store with the videos up at the top like I just showed you. So I think that's how they're getting there now. Hopefully, they will get there when they go to the Amazon store directly and watch my video and buy the product. And Rob told me that it takes a while, up to a month, before your videos show up under products. So we'll see. Again, these products, these videos that you see on Amazon and in my Amazon store are not totally related to radios. There are other products. I'm trying to expand here a little bit, so bear with me. Now, let's go to YouTube videos. Starting at least 2 years ago, and maybe earlier, I stopped editing my YouTube videos. It was taking me nearly an hour to get a 10-minute show nearly perfect. I still do a little editing, but for the most part, I've stopped, and it's obvious. You will see a lot of mistakes in my videos. I make a lot of mistakes, and now that I'm older, I make a lot more mistakes. But for the most part, they're minor mistakes, and you know what I meant. For instance, I'll give you an example. I just did a couple of shows on a radio from a company called Audio Crazy. And I was saying in a couple of the videos, I was saying auto crazy instead of audio. So people corrected me. That's not a big deal. So my point is I'm making a lot more mistakes lately. So what am I going to do? I'm trying to decide what to do. Do I go back to editing and doing a lot fewer shows? Because it's going to take me even longer now because I make many more mistakes. Or B, do I continue to just leave the little mistakes in and let people correct me? I don't mind corrections in their comments. I don't mind that. Or do I just give up? What do you think? Moving on. YouTube video comments. I have to apologize again about YouTube video comments. I've struggled over the past few years with comments on videos. And this is a problem with YouTube and me. Okay. I should, and I had up until a couple of years ago, I received an email for every comment left So it was and it had a link to the video comment. So it was very easy to respond to each and every comment. Well, it used to happen this way, but not now. Too many comments are not emailed to me, so I miss them entirely. Every once in a while, I will remember to go to my YouTube channel's comments section, and I see dozens of comments that were left that I never got a notice of. And I try to reply to them, but I forget to do this sometimes. And a lot of times, the comment was something that the person needed feedback right away, and I'm late. So I apologize. I'm sorry, but it's frustrating. Future of my channel. I'm happy to see I have nearly 15,000 subscribers. Now, that's not a big number, but my channel is very dedicated to a very unique section of the people in the world. People that are interested in radios. I hope to pass that 1,500 soon this year. I'm very close. I love doing these videos and interacting with my subscribers and viewers. And they make a lot of good comments and corrections and additional information. I really enjoy this. With the virus, I don't get out hardly at all. So it gives me more time to do shows. The virus has also made me cut back on a lot of other hobbies, such as fishing and metal detecting. I don't want to go out in public. Being a senior, I'm more susceptible. So right now, depending on the comments and corrections, editing, that kind of stuff, I plan to do more shows in 2022. And I have so far. I'm doing about twice as many shows per week this year than I did last year. Most important, I want to thank all of you that subscribe to my shows. I really appreciate that it tells me I'm really doing something that is of value to you. I want to thank all of you that leave comments, corrections for my many, many mistakes. And I wanted to thank all of you that support my channel by using my Amazon store, and I hope you will start using my Amazon store videos. Well, what I mean to say, they're on my Amazon store, the videos are, but the videos they haven't yet, start appearing under the products themselves. And then that'll be an additional source of income, which again, I use all my commissions from my Amazon store and YouTube to buy more things to review for you. And lastly, have a happy and safe New Year's. Bye-bye.